Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to fix error 404 when we use sudo apt-get update, or aka how can we install package on the older release of Ubuntu. So first, we need to check the version of my Ubuntu. To do that, we need to assign command lsb underscore release -a. You can see in the release line I am using release 13.04. So if you open the wiki.ubuntu.com/releases and scroll down to end of life section, you can see that there is Ubuntu 13.04. It means my version is on the included in the end of life. So basically my Ubuntu release is already end of life. I cannot install package or software. For instance, I want to install VLC. Sorry, sudo apt-get install. The error is package VLC has no installation candidate, and also I cannot update my uh, package using sudo apt-get update. It will be contain a lot of errors, 404 errors. You can see right now there are two errors, but I will post the video until the sudo apt-get update done or finished. As you can see now, the sudo apt-get already finished or done. apt-get update, I mean. And if you scroll up, there's a lot of warning and uh, a lot of error. There is 404 error, and it's time to fix it. You need to go to sudo need to go to /cd/etc.apt, and you need to sudo to use gedit sudo gedit uh, sources.list and replace something inside the file. So we are now inside the file and press Ctrl and H. Now the replace window appear. Type in the search for archive ubuntu.com and replace in the replace with uh, type all releases. Do not forget to use the releases, not release. It is different, and it will be failed if you mistype the information here. And click replace all, and now change the archive to security, and click replace all also, and now click close, and now click file and save the file. Now click save, and now click file again, and then click quit. Now we will try to update the package one more time using sudo apt-get update. So type sudo apt-get -get dash space update, and you will see the difference. Now there's a lot of hit uh, hit. It means succeed updating the from using the link or all-release.ubuntu. You can see there's a lot, and it's different from the previous output of sudo apt-get update. I will pause the video until the sudo apt-get update is finished. As you can see now, sudo apt get update already done or finished. You can see scroll up, and there's the content. The output only contain few errors, or maybe two errors and two warning, different from the previous output. So basically, we are succeed updating the packages. So now it is we will able to install package. For instance, we will install VLC. So let's see, and now I can see that reading packets, and you can see that there are process occur now, and you can see that we are ready done installing VLC now. You can also install many software or packets that you like now. For instance, I will install OpenSSH server on my Ubuntu, for instance, like this, and you can see it is working now. So basically, we need to update the sources list using older releases.ubuntu.com. It will replace, and the content will be on and will be succeed to install packages. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. Thank you.